So I'm Cormac Conaire, Creative Director at Design Partners. I've been here around just over 13 years. So I lead the interaction design team where we design new user experiences and digital interfaces for brands around the world. Design Partners is an interaction and product design agency. So we would work with brands around the world, and our ambition is to grow these brands by designing these exceptional experiences that make people's life better. I think we're really lucky in our industry, and particularly in Design Partners, we have an incredible team of talented people to work with. And that really brings us the most joy, coming in every day and working with engineers, designers, prototypers to create future experiences that will hopefully make people's life better. And really that's our purpose. That's why I get out of bed in the morning. What really drew us was particularly in healthcare, where data is so important. So you have physicians, consultants, doctors who need to look at data, interpret it, analyze it, and make decisions very quickly. We have a dedicated healthcare team here, and Predict seemed to be a great way to connect with people in this industry. A lot of the people that we work with, a lot of the different companies we work with, are very interested in the future technologies and what they can unlock and enable for end users. And that's really where our expertise is, taking all of this complex data and distilling it into great experiences for people. So I'm going to speak about healthcare experiences and future healthcare experiences. Healthcare is going through a massive change at the moment, a really profound change, and one of those big shifts is around patient empowerment. So home healthcare is becoming one of the biggest trends and the most important trends, particularly for patients with chronic illnesses where they need to self-manage 24/7. They might see a consultant maybe once every 6 months, but they have to live with this every day. So you have this amazing confluence of new technologies, smart connected devices, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and these advances are really unlocking new experiences in healthcare to help people self-manage their conditions. So we typically start with understanding the users involved, which is a slightly different approach to the way a lot of our clients approach things, particularly for people who are in the data science or data analytics space. Technology and data is their first protocol, whereas for us it's about the users. It's how can that data enable something meaningful for the end users. So that's where we always start. We try and find what is the most relevant way that we can utilize this data. What are the needs and motivations of all these different user types? And oftentimes it's a process of distillation, which can be very uncomfortable for some of our clients because they're really obsessed with their technology. So what we try and do is we try and innovate in a user experience way so that everyone in the system gets a joyful experience. And we work across multiple sectors. So not only healthcare, we work in the consumer sector, and that's starting to heavily influence healthcare. So there's things like in-home health. When you're at home managing your own condition, you don't want to be constantly reminded that you're ill. So how can we design experiences that fit into people's lives? And that can be something as simple as the tone of voice that's used, or it can be beauty. Beauty is often underestimated and neglected in healthcare, whereas in fact, when humans experience beauty, it triggers the reward center in our brains, and we get this hit of dopamine, which creates joy. So beauty is one of those little tools that we have that can help enhance the user experience. So I'm obsessed with future experiences and I'm obsessed with creating delightful experiences for people. So what I'm hoping to get is to get an insight into how people are thinking about where things are going, where technology, where data science, where analytics is going, and also connect with potential companies that could use our expertise in understanding the end user experience.